So for Big Bird, I use Wilton 199 piping tip, and I piped all the way around my cupcake just like this. So basically you're just going to press the buttercream down and then a release, and this will create like a fur effect. So I'm going to do this all the way around just like I'm doing right now. And then I place his mouth and eyes that I made in fondant right on top of my buttercream. And all my fondant pieces, I made them in advance. So like that, it's easier to just simply decorate. Next runner up is Elmo. So for the tip, I used the grass tip, which is Wilton 233. And once again, I went all the way around and covered the top of my cupcake, just like I'm doing right now. By the way, if you're curious of knowing how to do a really dark red buttercream, I have a video on it. So I would highly suggest you guys going to watch that also. And then I placed a mouth that I made out of black fondant, a cute little nose, and 2 eyes, just like that. Elmo has like more like a furry effect. So what I did is I went over my buttercream with a little brush just to create more details to it. And that was it for Elmo. Next runner up is the Grouch. So I used the same tip, which is Wilton 233. And once again, I'm going to just simply pipe on my cupcake, but this time around I'm going to do them longer, as you can see. And once again, I placed my little mouth on there and I'm piping around it so that it looks like the mouth is inside. And I placed my 2 little eyes right on top. And then I pipe some brown for the eyebrows. And last but not least is Cookie Monster. Again, same piping tip, Wilton 233, and I'm piping his fur all the way around until the top of my cupcake is all covered. Also, if you guys want a recipe of my buttercream, I also have a video on that. I placed his cute little eyes right on top of the buttercream and a cute little cookie just like that. And this is it. This is the final look. I love the end result. Whatever event you're doing these, the kids are gonna love them. They look just fabulous. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. And see you in the next one. Mwah!